you're spending on ads. But do you really know what's working? Misattributed conversions, invisible fraud, fragmented data across platforms. Apptrove fixes this by connecting every touchpoint in your funnel. From clicks and impressions to installs and in-app events, everything lives in one place, in real time. Apptrove tracks the full user journey, so you know exactly which campaigns drive real outcomes. With Unilink, every click leads somewhere meaningful, even after install. Users land exactly where they're meant to, not your home screen. Apptrove blocks fraud before it impacts your data, not after your budget is spent. From click flooding to fake installs, every signal is filtered in real time. Your data stays yours. Access raw logs, export anytime, and integrate directly with your systems without restrictions. Manage your entire ecosystem, apps, partners, agencies, and campaigns from a single platform. Trusted by teams scaling across 500 plus apps. No hidden pricing, no rigid plans. And when you need help, you talk to real people, not ticket queues. No blind spots, no wasted spend. Just clear, reliable growth. Apptrove. Measure what matters.